Hello and welcome. My name is Danielle Combs and I'm a 4-H educator in Highland County. Today's workshop is going to be Cloverbud Creativity. We're going to be discussing some of the resources that are available for Cloverbud advisors. I know we can't get to know one another in person, but I want you to get to know yourself a little bit more. So what group are you going to be working with and what's your role with them? What do you want to learn from today? So I need you to get a piece of paper and a writing utensil, and I want you to write down your responses to the following questions. What resources do you know of that could be used to plan Cloverbud activities as of right now? And what are some of the short-term and long-term goals for the Cloverbuds that you work with? If you need to, take a second, pause on the video, and when you're ready, we'll begin again. So who are Cloverbuds? Our Cloverbuds start at age 5 and in kindergarten, and they end when they are age 8 and in 3rd grade. And this is all as of January 1st of the current 4-H year. Cloverbuds are considered 4-Hers, they're just the non-competitive side. So what do? They explore the same areas that all 4-Hers explore throughout the year: healthy lifestyle, environmental sciences, citizenship, family and consumer sciences, FCS, STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, personal development, and community expressive arts. They have the opportunity to exhibit at the fair and attend activity days and camps throughout the coming year. But why do we have the 4-H program? We have it to promote a children's healthy development in a non-formal approach through creativity and play. It helps build self-esteem, social interaction skills, decision-making, learning how to learn those learning skills, and mastering those physical skills. It provides an excellent opportunity for a child to reach their highest potential. So some of the activities that are available for Cloverbuds, at least in Highland County, are Cloverbud Day Camp, which is a 1-day event at our fairgrounds where they have the chance to experience a camp-like setting, do different activities. We have Cloverbud Overnight Camp, where we multi-county camp at our resident camp. It's a 2-day, 1 night with parent and child, and they get to have the chance to experience a traditional 4-H camp on a very short-term basis. And then we have Cloverbud Days during the Highland County Fair. These are very short intervals in our schedule where the kids can come together and do different activities throughout Fair Week and showcase what they've been working on the whole 4-H year. So please check with your local extension office for all of the available activities in your area. Every county is different in the activities that they do, so make sure that you're following along with those. The resources. So up in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the 4-H Cloverbud Volunteer Guidebook. This resource is absolutely fantastic. It helps you understand your roles and responsibilities as a 4-H volunteer with Cloverbuds. It helps guide you in the direction that you need to do to have a successful Cloverbud program. It also relates the 8 essential elements which Ohio 4-H uses to develop all of their curriculum and how that can relate into a Cloverbud curriculum as well. It also helps answer some of those oddball questions you might have or parents might ask you throughout the meetings. The second resource you'll see pictured on there is the Big Book of 4-H Cloverbud Activities. This book is a lot bigger than you think. It is organized into those areas that we talked about at the beginning of the session, like environmental science, STEM activities, citizenship, family and consumer sciences. So whatever your 4-H club is working on, this is a great resource to help tie Cloverbud activities into what everybody else is learning. It also will help you kind of figure out what Cloverbuds are wanting to learn and where to take your lesson plans. The last picture on the right-hand side is the 4-H Cloverbud year. It is kind of designed like a 4-H project book. They have citizenship activities that they need to complete. They have community service activities, and they document everything that they do throughout the year. Now, they do kind of have a blank canvas, which is nice because they get to show what they did in their club meetings and how they felt about those activities. You'll see the blue choose and tell box. It's actually a small jumbo-sized deck of cards. I'm holding them up here. And they have different activities on them with different skill levels. It's a great way to keep something in your bag if you're looking for just kind of extra or add-on activities, or if you want the kids to decide what they're learning. So if you gather up some of the supplies and resources needed for each of the activities on the cards and kind of have them in a bag or a box, and then you pull out these cards and the kids get to pick a card, they have control of their own learning and they're still getting the growth and development we want them to. The final picture you see down at the bottom of your screen in the center are what we call Cloverbud cubes. They also have questions on them to help spark discussion and keep the kids engaged and learning on their own pace. The resources you'll see, the links on your page, take you to the state website, and they talk about all of these resources plus many more, like the click it, print it, do it resources. They have videos and printable lesson plans, as well as other curriculum that I don't have pictured here. The resources are absolutely endless. It also will walk you through on how to join Cloverbud Connections, which is a newsletter that goes out on a regular basis from the state, so you can understand what Cloverbud programs are doing across the state to help you bring activities to your club and to your program. Again, always check with your extension educator because they are an excellent resource. They have so much material and have access to all of these great resources, and they will help get you in the direction that you want to go to help build your Cloverbud program. And I want you to take that piece of paper and that writing utensil once more, and I want you to answer these last couple questions before we go. What resources now do you want to investigate? Remember your goals from the beginning. How can some of those goals be accomplished? And how can you engage Cloverbuds in your club right now in the format we're in? If you have any more questions for myself or the other 4-H educator in Highland County, give us a call. Again, my name is Danielle Combs, and the other educator is Kathy Bruynis. Our emails are up on the screen. And feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Also reach out to your extension educator. They are great with the resources and can get you where you need to go. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.